Alright, so now let's look at a new case and then see how to compute probability or propensities for each of the values of the target. So let's use the same values from here, 0, 0, 3.26. Alright. Now L is the first one. Oh, let's do it again. That plus some product of the B coefficients with the predictor. Okay. And then this model 3 intercept plus some product of the slope coefficients and the predictor profile. So that's for the second. So these two are our legit values. Okay, so now remember the probabilities are with respect to the what was left out. So the probability that we will get from model 1 is probability of y equal to 0 conditioned upon the base being y equal to 2. So the computations are a little involved. So I'm going to give you the final result, how you get the probabilities. Okay. So the first thing you need to note is that we have to find e to the power of L. Okay. The algebra is a little involved. If you go through all the algebra, finally this is what the probabilities will look like. Okay, so this is not minus L, okay, remember that. So we have exp of L. Now we need a denominator. So to make it easy, I'll just set up the denominator separately. So the denominator for the probability is 1 plus these two values, and these you'll find these computations in page 246. Okay. So then probability of y equal to 0 is e to the L divided by that denominator. So that will give you probability of y equal to 0. And then you take e to the L of the second one and you divide by this denominator. So that will give you the probability of y equal to 1. And of course the third probability must be such that the sum of the three probabilities is equal to 1. Okay. Or it will be minus the sum of these two. Okay. And that would be equal to 1 over that denominator. So that would be the same as well. So if you go 1 over that denominator, you get the same value. So now we have, so now of course let's check it out and make sure that it follows the probability rule, which is that this sum should be equal to 1, and it is. So how you deal with nominal probability is slightly different.